In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Quotr's bid management features. So, first of all, there are two ways to get to the bid manager. One of them is to go to the nav bar and click on the bids tab in the top bar. The other way is to go through a project, click export, and then click procurement. Now, you're on the bids management tab. So the top bar on the left is called Manage Suppliers. Here you can add your suppliers or subcontractors, and you can add their contact information, like contact email, contact phone, etc. You can click on their name to see some details, what projects they're linked to. And then you can also search your subcontractors and suppliers here in the top bar. Now, for the main feature, which is Discover Suppliers. So when you go in from project, it will link it directly to your project type and your project version. So in this one, it was on Lestro Avenue Residence, and it's on this version right here. So you can search through the trades that are in your project, and you can see that your customer suppliers, which are here in this tab, are listed here at the top. You can also select other suppliers. Then you can click on Request Quote. And Quotr will auto-generate an email detailing a quote request for the materials that you listed. It will auto-attach your quantities file from your project as an Excel and your PDF of your marked up plans. Now, remember, this is controlled by these settings here. So whatever version or project you're on, these quantities will be based on that project. So you can then send it to something like this, and this would send it to 4 suppliers. And the suppliers will then receive an email, and they'll have an opportunity to upload a reply to the plan. So I'm going to go to one that's already happened, which is on the House and Concord plan. And I sent out 3 quote requests, or a quote request to 3 different suppliers. And if they replied through Quotr, you can actually continue a conversation with them. So I could type in something and say, can you adjust this one thing or something? And then they will get another email that this is updated. And then they can update a file and upload a new one, or etc. You can also upload a PDF for one that has sent it to you directly in your email outside of Quotr, or some other features like you can add more suppliers to your quote request after the fact. Now, the main idea is this Quotr will then show you and store all of these PDF files here, and you can just compare them directly in Quotr. So I can choose the 3 of these, and then the AI overview will pull out the data from the document and detail all the parts of it, like the timeline, the total cost, labor costs, contingency, etc. And since this is using LLMs or AI, you can detail other parameters you wanted to search for. Now, when you're done, you can click directly here and award one of the suppliers. You can now choose whether to send unsuccessful suppliers emails, and that way you can award the bids. It will show awarded bids in this tab when you're done. So that's the basic overview of the Quotr bid management feature.